At least the officer said, "Ma'am, do you mind going down there?" He didn't really give her an option. He said, "Do you mind just standing over there?" I've been playing. I'm finna go live. Go around. Hey. Hello. Oh, I'm Steve. Damn, he in the pit. Hey, brother. Come here. Yo. Oh, she's going to the emergency room? Oh, okay. Damn, he's in the damn screenshot. Oh, here's him. Before I can go live, I'm trying to take a screenshot. On the police person? Yeah, he's gonna be in it then. Okay. I'm gonna wait till his back is turned. His back is turned. Right now. 3, 2, 1. Alrighty. What's up, sis? Baby. What's up?
Oh, see, I didn't see you. We already ever doing shit?
Yeah, this nigga is.
You got light?
Yeah. Riding with my brother. No, ain't no one arguing with me.
Tell her that we report the police.
So, you know, I'm gonna let them... Yeah, we're just reporting the police. You know?
So you was done when they did the little thing down there? No, you just started?
No, today I am, but I've been out here all week. But yeah, all over. Yeah. I know we show up with cameras and people get nervous and
I know,
shit.
I'm like, who the camera crew?
Yeah,
Cops or what?
but we only record the police. We record them.
It's the one and only Digo Double G.
Over there, sitting down there drinking, so I kept saying, why?
Sidewalk here. Hold on, guys, real quick. Let you guys watch like that.
That don't even make no fucking sense.
Yeah, we're at the intersection of Dixie Ann Avenue and Del Paso Boulevard. So traffic incident. Once the police showed up, we began recording. Come on the live stream. We got family members showing up here.
No, you didn't. Don't speak to me. Don't you hear me? There ain't no you're insured. I'm right. We can do a test right now. Hey, don't test us, right?
Yeah, we're here on scene with Sac PD, vehicle versus vehicle, between both parties, both drivers. They're verbally expressing themselves here.
Lock it up or I'm going to put you in cuffs.
Okay, see, so now that would be a violation. He just violated the right. He said, lock it up or I'm putting you in cuffs. Wow. So we don't have freedom of speech anymore, huh? Well, let me zoom out. Yeah, it's going to be a vehicle versus vehicle. Dixie Ann Avenue and Del Paso Boulevard. Got two Sacramento police vehicles here on the scene, attempting to mediate and calm the parties down. They're having a little back and forth, which is understandable. The current time is 7:31. People asking about the time. Damn. What's she? What's this? So it looks like one of the involved parties were allowed to leave the scene.
Oh, they ran. They're running.
Now they just had them exchange information in this. Huh?
No, we by ourselves.
No, not